Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, do your own personal practice and perfect it first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. These are the assets that I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow it from a small capital into a reasonable one. So guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. This downtrend, you can see the red flag came to an end at this support zone. So it started with this yellow flag, which signifies an uptrend, and that is why we got a buy order around here, and of course it kept on buying till it got to this resistance zone. Okay, so the uptrend actually came to an end at this point, and of course we are having a red flag again, and of course the red arrow came out also, so it shows that the market is on downtrend, and of course the market had a pullback around there, but right now it has gone back to sell more, and of course just broke out below this support zone. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. Even though the movement is not that smooth, but this actually came down till it got to this support and went back up, was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so had a downtrend again, and of course it's still unable to break out below this support zone, and of course it went back up again. It is on buy trend at the moment. We are hoping that it will break out above this resistance zone this time around, and once that happens, then definitely it's going to buy more. So for now, this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. You can see the smooth movement of this buy order till it came to an end around there. So it started a downtrend right from here, got to the support zone, had a pullback and went back there. If it breaks out below it, then it will be coming down to this level. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is on sell trend at the moment. Okay, it is on downtrend at the moment, so it is going to be selling more. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash. It's going to be crash 500. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so let's check it out right away. Crash 500. Okay guys, this is crash 500. This market had been on downtrend right from here after playing around there for a while. Later on went down to break out below this. You can see the red flag. It shows that the market is fully on downtrend. So it got to the support zone, was unable to break out below it, so it's trying to go back on buy trend at the moment. If it's unable to break out below this support zone, then it's going to buy, but if it breaks out below it, then definitely it will keep on selling. But for now, we hope that it goes fully into a buy trend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be V75. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is V75. It started the downtrend right from here, but got to the support zone and played around there for a while. Right now we've gotten a yellow flag and of course a blue arrow, and of course this signifies that the market is on uptrend and might be buying for long, okay, because it just got to this support zone, except if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so if it's unable to break out above this, then definitely it may likely go back to see if it will break out below this support zone. If it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should take note of that, but for now it is still buying at the moment. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities or the strategies shared in my videos. Practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God